Happy Flex Friday, everybody! It's Coach Francis with Elevate Sports Performance and Healthcare. Squatober is coming to an end, but not before we go over the ramp squat. This thing can solve almost any problem. You're fighting with your loved ones. You don't have anything to cook for dinner. Your football team stinks. The ramp squat is here to save your day. But in all seriousness, this is our top movement for increasing your mobility, opening up your body, and getting you stronger at the same time. You need a ramp or some 5-pound plates or maybe even a thick book if you're at home and you need something to stand on. The 5-pound plates or the thick book will do the job underneath your heels. But at Elevate, we do have these awesome ramps. You're gonna take a kettlebell, goblet style. We're gonna tuck, waistband, the belly button. From here, I want your elbows forward so your shoulder blades are to the side of your torso. Big inhale as you slowly go down, driving those knees forward over your toes. Exhale, come back up. We keep your chest and torso nice and vertical, and we drop it like it's hot. From the side, because I know you want it. We're tucked, we're reaching. Big inhale, we're breathing. Big exhale. So give it a shot, get after it, and have an excellent Flex Friday!